Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial we had set it up a very basic Redux project with Node.js. In today's tutorial we will be talking about the three core concepts of Redux. I might wonder that it will not give you a clear picture to understand the three core concepts of Redux without giving you an example. So for that one, I had prepared an example of a cake shop. What is available I have in the entities in the cake shop is shop that stores cakes on the shelves. I have a shopkeeper as well that is standing at the front of the store, and similarly we have a customer that are normally entering from the entrance. So what is happening actually? What are the scenarios going on in the real cake shop? What activities do we perform is customer that came inside the shop wants to buy a cake. It will not happen that customer will jump into the shelves and take his cake and put the money. It will be for sure done by the shopkeeper. Customer will always let the shopkeeper knows his intentions, what type of cake he wants and for what purpose he wants. Then the shopkeeper, according to the intentions, suggests him some sort of cakes, bringing out from the shelves, pack it for him, prepare a receipt and remove that cake from the stock to let understand that what are the stocks going on. This is the very basic example of cake shop. Let's go forward and try to relate it with our Redux core three core concepts you can say. So in Redux, first of all, the first thing is shop. In Redux we have store. Shop is what doing? It's keeping the cakes on the shelves. In Redux, scenario of Redux, store is keeping the state. Store is actually the entity that holds the state of your application. Second thing is, in our cake shop, customer came and gave his intentions that I want to buy a cake. In Redux, that's known as actions. Like you will have to describe what you want to do or what will happen. That you have to describe in the form of actions. And the last main concept is shopkeeper that takes the cake, suggests the cake, take the cake, print the receipt and remove that cake from the stock. That functionality will be performed by the reducer in Redux. What Redux will do? Redux will tie the store state and store you can say and your action together and perform some sort of changes in your state. So what are the three main concepts? A store that holds the state of your application. Okay. Secondly, an action that describes the changes in the state of an application. And lastly, reducer that actually carried out the state transition depending upon your action. I know very well guys, at this point the picture is not much clear to you guys regarding the three core concept or Redux. But I'll highly recommend you to stick with me and coming some couple of videos that will make your intentions very clear, that will make your understanding much better, at much more better as compared to this point. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.